Hi, I'm Federico from PR Rubino, and today I want to talk to you about the identifiable flexible sleeves of the SLEEDECT metal detector. They consist of a range of flexible sleeves made using the ETERDECT 82 Shora, a polyurethane sheet, and they are suitable for contact with food. SLEEDECT products come in three different versions: a smooth VL version, suitable for conveying powders and granules; a rectified RE version, suitable for conveying gas; a shaped coarse canvas TH version, suitable for conveying frozen food. Sleeve diameters are standardized and come in the following formats: 123, 148, 178, 198 and 218 millimeters. They can be made any width below 1000 millimeters. Can be made with a blue colored part placed both internally and externally. SLEEDECT products are used in the food processing sectors, for example, powders and flours, grains and rice, frozen vegetables, oils, alcoholic product, also used at the end of pipes to soften impact and slow the course of the product, and in all cases where it is necessary to have a flexible connection between two pipes. For more information, please visit our website prrubino.it. Thank you and see you soon.